Jimmy, and I'm a patriotic saint. I grew up on a nearby farm, farming chickens. I learned all my ways from packing fat seeds. I am a chicken lover. Reginald is going to introduce you now. Bye-bye.
Hello, kids! I'm Reginald. You can call me Reg. I'm a preacher. I preach about Jesus.
I'm John. I am the son of Satan, but nobody knows.
One day, all the men met up in the woods.
Hello! Hello, boys! Hello! Are we all on for church on Sunday?
Oh, yes.
No,
No?
Why not?
because I'm Satan.
John was the only one left after he had killed the others.
The moral of this story is worship Satan.